Welcome. In this video, we're diving into one of the most common questions people ask every day. How can you see deleted messages on Gmail? Whether you accidentally removed an important email or just want to double-check something you thought you didn't need, I'll show you exactly what to do, step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. You can do this on either Android or iPhone. It works the same way. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on those lines to open the sidebar menu. Next, scroll down until you see a section labeled Bin or Trash. This is where Gmail stores any email you've deleted recently. Tap on that option, and you'll now see a list of all your deleted messages. Sometimes those emails may surprise you. Every deleted email you've sent to the bin will remain there for 30 days before being permanently deleted. During that time, you can open any message, read it, or even move it back to your inbox. If you want to restore a deleted email, simply open it. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and choose Move to Inbox. Gmail will instantly move the message back to your main inbox, just like it was never deleted. It's that easy. With just a few taps, you can find lost messages and get back important information you thought was gone. Remember, after those 30 days, Gmail automatically clears your bin, so if there's something you think you might need, it's best to act fast. And that's it. Now you know how to find, open, and restore deleted emails directly from your Gmail app. If this helped you recover something important, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video, so others can also learn how to do it. Thanks for watching.